This week for grammar, we are going to be working on sentences. We're going to learn that there are 4 different kinds of sentences: statements, questions, exclamatory, and command sentences. A statement sentence tells you something. It gives information. Its ending punctuation mark is a period. I love cheese pizza. That's a statement because I'm just telling you something. Other examples of statement sentences. The capital of Georgia is Atlanta. You are a 3rd grade student. My favorite color is purple. What do all of these sentences have in common? They're all statements. They are all sentences that are just giving you some information, and they end with a period. A command sentence makes a command. It tells you to do something. Sometimes I call it a bossy sentence because it bosses you around. Its ending punctuation mark is a period. Take out your blue folder. That's a command because I just told you to do something. Other examples of command sentences: sharpen your pencil, go to the restroom, do not chew food with your mouth open. What do all of these sentences have in common? They're all telling you to do something. They're giving you a command, and they end with a period. In 3rd grade, when we work with command sentences, we will be working with sentences that end in periods. A question sentence asks a question. Its ending punctuation mark is a question mark. How old are you? That's a question because I am asking you something. Other examples of questions. How old are you today? What time is it? Can you tell me how to get to Penn Station? What do all of these sentences have in common? All of these sentences are asking you something, and they all end with a question mark. The last type of sentence that we're going to talk about is an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence shows strong feeling. Its ending punctuation mark is an exclamation point. Yikes! There's a spider on my foot. That's a sentence that shows strong feeling. Obviously, that person does not like spiders, so they're saying that with lots of expression and lots of feeling. Other examples of exclamatory sentences. Yippee! I love this roller coaster. School is finally over today. Stop, drop, roll. What do all of these sentences have in common? They're being said with a lot of feeling. Sometimes it's happy, like, yippee, I love this roller coaster. Sometimes it's scary, stop, drop, and roll. And sometimes it can be a feeling of pain. Like if you get stung by a bee, you're not going to say, ouch. You're going to say, ouch. You're saying that with a lot of expression, and it's going to end with an exclamation point. Your task. I have 4 sentences at the bottom of this paper. In your notebook or on a piece of loose leaf paper, write each sentence with correct punctuation. So what I need you to do is rewrite the sentence and put on the correct ending punctuation mark. And put a finger space behind that punctuation mark. And then you need to decide, is that sentence a statement? If it is, write an S down. If it's a question, write a Q behind the punctuation mark. If it's a command sentence, put a C behind the punctuation mark. Or if it's an exclamatory sentence, write an E behind the punctuation mark. Good luck.